almost like an unboxing video. What's up, everybody? This is a gear review, not another penny arcade. What a surprise, huh? I'm doing this off the cuff, so the phone's in my hand without the gimbal today. But in here is going to solve some of my problems of too many milsurps on my reloading bench, which is actually over here. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess. So anyway, what do we have here? This is from a company called Hold Up Displays, and this is a hardwood 4 rifle rack, as you can see there. They're about $50 to $55 on Amazon. Take a couple of days to get. I actually ordered this Thursday, but here it is, July 5th, the day after the 4th, and I had an impromptu day off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this apart. Here's all the mounts you need, all the mounting hardware and the screws here, and the gel-coated hooks. And I'm going to start filling out all this empty space on my wall with milsurp rifles. So the first thing I'm gonna do, you can probably see some discoloration there. It's actually dust from my ceiling fan, some of it's just the paint. But anyway, I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna clean all the wall off, hit it with a damp towel, get all the dust off of it. And then I get the fun job of trying to find all the studs, which I think when I was a kid, I nailed up all these moldings. So I think the moldings follow the studs, and I'll just have to drop a plumb line down each one. I only need to do 2 anyways, it's not a big deal. So anyway, if this is of interest to you once I get it hung up there, then I will leave the product page description and all that stuff in the description below down there, right by the like and subscribe buttons that you should be pushing anyway, if you haven't yet, that is. But let me get the wall clean and let me try to find my plumb lines. So we'll be back. Wow, there it is. Sorry, jiggle. There it is, all mounted up. I started the wall drop from there. I think it was, I dropped the plumb line 2 inches from the molding. And then from there, I think I went an additional 7 inches for the first hole. And then I just marked the plumb line. You saw in the pictures, I marked the plumb line up the 3 mounting holes. But yeah, it's all installed now. It looks pretty good. I kind of like it. Probably get 2 more of these. Get more guns off the floor, right? But let's see. The only complaint I have is that side hook makes the guns want to twist backwards. So I ended up adding a pad from like those Dremel buffer wheels that I never use, like the ones that look like little Q-tips. So I taped around the back of the hook, and I put one of those on each one, and it keeps them from twisting that way because it has a bumper to bump into. Except for that Pwnery Vitali, that thing is being stubborn. It's still trying to lean. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to do something about that. I think that needs a thicker spacer for some reason because the wrist on that one's thinner. And I know that it looks like I've got the mount spread far apart, and you would be correct, because my house is built really wonky and they weren't 16 inches across the studs. I went from there, I went 16 over, and there was no stud there. So then I went 16 over from there to make it 32, and I couldn't find the stud there. And then I went a little further, so it's 42 inches from that one to that one. It's almost as if some idiot, when they built this house, forgot to put a stud in between. I don't know. But I'm probably gonna mount another one on that wall over there and another one on that wall, or the same wall that way. And that will put 12 guns on the wall, which clears up a lot of space because I am running out of space. Because this old GAD episodes, each one of those is like 52 inches. So if you don't know what those are, that's my Dutch Beaumont Vitali, that's my Pwnery Vitali, that's my Swiss 89, and that's my Type 38 Arisaka teacher's rifle. So anyway, if you want to get one of these for yourself, that thing is still twisting. I can see it right now. I see you up there. I'm gonna make that pad thicker. It'll stop that. But anyway, if you want to get one of these, they're on Amazon. They're 55 bucks. Comes with all the mounting hardware you need. I didn't use the drywall anchors because I actually found the studs. But I think if I were to do this again, I probably would use drywall anchors just to keep them a little tighter. But the next rack that I put on that wall is going to be for shorter rifles anyway, so I'll probably find the studs on that wall because it's a short wall anyway. That damn Vitali is going to twist, and it's going to sit just like that. So I'm going to have to add another pad to that side to make sure it doesn't do that, because that's just annoying. I don't like my gun sitting at 45. I like them sitting straight up and down like that. Anyway, I'll leave a description and link below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a regular, welcome back. Might want to hit the old like and subscribe buttons down there. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. I'm gonna get 2 more. We'll see you on the next one. Later.